Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to wash map pads on your ROBOROCK Saros 10R. To wash your map pads automatically with the dock, using the dock, you in the app click on dock, then select wash. Now it'll start washing it. In my case, there's no water in my water tank, but it'll start washing the mops to make them clean, of course, and then you can dry them as well. And by the way, in dock settings you can also change the mop wash frequency, so when it's done automatically, and also things like washing mode and the duration of the mop drying. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.